Hi, it's Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm back today with another free sample, a clip right out of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. In this clip, I show you how much should you be concerned or how much should you freak out when something begins to happen and you feel like maybe you've been burned. Take it in context, and I'll talk a little bit about it after we see the clip here, but there's actually some case video, some actual case video footage of the exact incident, the exact thing that I'm going to train you about. Check it out. If you do enough surveillance work, eventually you will come face to face with someone, either the subject, a friend, a family member, somebody that they work with, maybe even the police. We're going to talk a little bit about how to handle that. Now, first of all, don't freak out on every little thing. Most of the time, nothing is going on, even though you feel like you may be the center of the universe, that they know somehow. Take a look at this video clip here. This is an example of a subject who was moving to her car, and lo and behold, a security guard comes by. The security guard stops, she talks to him. It'd be very easy for me as the investigator to be worried that she knows I'm there or that she's telling the security guard to come and deal with me. In fact, it has nothing whatsoever to do with me, and the guard moves on. Okay, now I could be all melodramatic and oh my gosh, what a close call that was and everything. The honest truth was, and there have been moments in surveillance that have been like that for me, but I wasn't the least bit worried in that circumstance. I have been doing it long enough, and I knew this was not going to be a problem for me. I knew I wasn't burned. You have to learn. You have to, maybe I'm teaching it to you, I'm training you, but you have to get it in you. You have to have enough times where that person looks straight dead at you, or so you think, right? You know, you are 6 houses, 12 houses away parked and watching a person mow their lawn, and they look right at you. They're not looking at you. They're not even looking close to you. You're not, even your vehicle's not on their radar. But you, in that viewfinder, with your entire world focused on getting your video, it'll feel like they're peering right into you. So look, get over that, understand, and don't freak out about it. Be cautious, weigh what's going on. And in the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance, I teach you multiple signals, indicators that you might have been burned. And, you know, if that's the case, you back off and deal with it appropriately. But I wanted to share with you and show you actual footage of this woman I was videoing. I had been following her all day. She was at her work, and as she left work, she gets back out of the car, flags down security, and it would be really easy to think, uh-oh, this is the end. But no, it wasn't. As you saw, successful day, successful surveillance, successful paycheck. If you'd like to learn more about this type of thing, please do check out the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance over at ShadowAnyone.com. In the meantime, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.